Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daljit here, and today I have created a very glam makeup look. This is a glitter makeup look. I have not done it as of now, so I have just created it first time for you guys. And this is just going to be full of glitters. I have used diamond glitters on my eyes. I hope it will be easier for you to understand it. I have just created this look step by step, so the beginners can also able to make a glitter eye makeup look. First I'm using a matte primer, and it's very hydrating and very good for the dry skin. Now I'm gonna hydrate my skin, and then I'm gonna use my Too Faced foundation in shade light beige, and I'm gonna put it straight to my face and I'm gonna blend it. I'm using a beauty blender to blend my foundation, and this is little I sponge it in the water. I use concealer above my eyelids because it's going to be a bright glam makeup look with glitters, so we really need a good base. I use my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take this very light shade. It's just like a compact shade, and I'm gonna put it above my eyelid to set my concealer. Always whenever you do eye makeup, go from lighter shades and build the shade and then move to the brighter shades. I'm going to use the same light purple shade Off Balance from the same retrograde palette from Huda Beauty on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'll take it little up towards my crease. And from the same palette, its name is Hot Mess, and it's little in a berry shade, and I'm gonna just put it on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm using my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take a very bright purple shade, and this shade I'm gonna take on the crease. And I'm gonna take this dark purple shade from the same palette, and I'm gonna build up the color on the outer corners and on the crease. I use concealer brush. This is from Morphe. It comes with a set, and I'm gonna take a concealer on the back side of my hand, and with the help of my brush I'm gonna create I'm gonna take this very bright purple shade on the brush. It's a Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it on the edge of my eyes. I'm using this Urban Decay silver. You see, I have just pressing these glitters. Now we are gonna do a contour. We are gonna bring it from the hairline close to your ear, and when you bring it, don't bring it very down and don't bring it very close to your mouth, otherwise your whole look will look very down. And then you need some angular brush, something like this, and dense brush, so you will able to blend nicely this cream contour. And this brush is from Real Technique. I'm showing you how to do it. You have to do it little upside, and nicely you have to just blend it. It's very dark shade, so just, and that is from LA Girl, and it's easily available in India also, so you can find it on Nike, I think, online. Shade of your concealer, I'm using a tape shape in a light medium honey, and I'm gonna put it to do a nice baking, so your concealer will set nicely and you will not able to see the fine lines and the crease below your eyes. So I'm using a translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm going to show you how to use a cream blush. I am taking a cream blush with my finger and I'm just putting on my apple of my cheeks, and it's really very pretty pinky peach shade, and I'm putting it on my, this is from Fenty Beauty in shade Petal Popping, and with the beauty blender I'm just gonna dab with soft hands on my blush shade. As you can see, now with the help of the same powder brush we are going to remove the baking powder. And I'm going to put the dark purple shade below my eyes from the same Morphe palette, and which I have used it above my eyes, and this is the dark purple shade. For waterline I'm using a black liner. I'm using lip liner from NYX. Using a Kate Woodall lipstick, and it's in the shade Beloved, and it's very nice peachy shade. I'm gonna put mascara. It's from Maybelline. Always start it from down. I hope you will like this glitter look, and if you like it, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. Please recreate this look and post it on my Instagram page and let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.